Welcome to English Learners. Join us for fun tips and lessons to improve your speaking and listening skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.
Today, in this video, we will learn conversations between office colleagues, Emily and Jason.
Hey, Jason, did you get a chance to review the marketing report I sent over this morning?
Yeah, I just finished going through it. The data looks solid, but I think we need to tweak the messaging for the urban demographic a bit more. It feels like we're missing the mark on their specific needs.
I was thinking the same thing. Maybe we can emphasize the convenience factor more, how our product fits into their busy lifestyle. What do you think?
Definitely. We should also highlight how we're contributing to sustainable living, given that it's a big trend in urban areas. That could really resonate with our target audience.
Great point. I'll work on revising the copy today and send it back to you for feedback. Do you think we should include a case study from one of our urban clients?
That's a great idea. It adds credibility and shows real-world application. Let's pull some data from the Urban Oasis project. Those numbers were really impressive.
Perfect. I'll get that started. By the way, have you heard about the new client meeting scheduled for Friday?
Yeah, I saw it on the calendar. It's going to be a busy end of the week. Speaking of which, do you have any plans for the weekend? We've been grinding pretty hard lately.
I was just about to ask you the same thing. I was thinking of heading out to that new rooftop bar downtown on Saturday. It's supposed to have great views and a pretty chill vibe. Interested?
That sounds awesome. I've been meaning to check that place out. Let's do it. What time were you thinking?
How about 7 p.m.? We can grab some dinner first, maybe at that new Italian place nearby?
Perfect. I've heard good things about their pasta. It'll be nice to unwind after a hectic week.
Agreed. All right, let's get through this work, and we'll treat ourselves on Saturday. Looking forward to it.
Same here. I'll wrap up these edits and get them back to you. See you at 7 on Saturday.
Oh, before I forget, did you get a chance to look at the new design mock-ups for the website?
Yeah, I did. I really like the clean, modern look, but I'm not sure about the color scheme. The blue feels a bit too corporate for our brand, don't you think?
I was thinking the same thing. Maybe we could try incorporating some warmer tones, something that feels more inviting and aligns with our eco-friendly image.
That's a good idea. We could go with earthy tones, like greens and browns, to give it that natural vibe. It would tie in nicely with the Urban Oasis branding too.
Exactly. I'll talk to the design team and see if they can make those adjustments. Anything else stand out to you?
Just one more thing, the call to action buttons. They're a bit small. I think we should make them more prominent so they're easier to spot and click on.
Good catch. I'll have them increase the size and maybe add a slight shadow to make them pop. We want to make sure the user experience is seamless.
Definitely. We're so close to finalizing everything. It's exciting to see it all come together.
I know. It's been a lot of work, but it's going to pay off. Oh, and speaking of work, have you finished the budget proposal for next quarter?
Almost. I just need to double-check a few numbers and then I'll send it over to you. I should have it done by the end of the day.
Awesome. No rush, but the sooner we finalize it, the better. We've got some big projects lined up, and I want to make sure we're set financially.
Absolutely. I'll make it my priority. By the way, are you still planning to present at the client meeting on Friday, or do you want me to take the lead? I was planning to present, but if you're up for it, I wouldn't mind having you take the lead this time. You've been really hands-on with this client, so it makes sense. Happy to. I'll prepare a draft of the presentation and share it with you tomorrow. We can go over it together to make sure we're aligned.
Sounds great. Thanks, Jason, I appreciate it. Looks like we've got a solid plan for the rest of the week.
We do. And with Saturday night to look forward to, it's going to be a good one. Let's crush this week and then relax with some good food and drinks.
Agreed. Can't wait. Let's get back to it, and I'll see you Saturday at 7.
You got it. See you then.
Thank you so much for watching this video, English learners. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this language learning journey with you all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for fluency. Until next time, happy learning.